Hi guys, Frank here with Build Your Own, and this is a 2009 Toyota RAV4 that I've had on the channel before, namely for its paint peeling problems. Today we're going to take this RAV4 over to a body shop that the local Toyota dealer has contracted with so we can set up a time to get the paint repaired. Before we go do that, let me bring you up to speed on the Toyota paint peeling problem. For years, certain Toyota, Lexus, and Scion vehicles have been plagued by peeling white paint, a problem resulting from exposure to sunlight over time. The Japanese automaker is aware of that and calls it a manufacturing defect, but no real action was taken, and customers whose paint warranty had expired are out of luck. Many have complained though, and now things have changed. Letters sent by Toyota to car owners mention a new warranty enhancement program that covers the following years and models of vehicles with the original Blizzard Pearl or Super White paint. 2008 to 2009 Lexus GX470, the 2008 to 2017 Toyota Avalon, the 2008 to 2017 Toyota Camry, the 2008 to 2017 Toyota Camry Hybrid, the 2008 to 2017 Toyota RAV4, the 2009 to 2018 Toyota Corolla, the 2010 to 2015 Toyota 4Runner, the 2011 to 2015 Scion XB, and the 2012 to 2015 Scion IQ. I did a video with this RAV4 when the owner received their letter from Toyota. I'll put the link to that video in the description below. Now that you understand the Toyota white paint peeling problem, let's head over to the local body shop so they can check out the car and make an appointment to get this paint repaired. All right guys, down here at the local Toyota dealer real fast. I had to stop in here so we can actually get the location of the auto body shop. So we're gonna do that. And then while we're also here, we're gonna actually pick up a new spare tire cover because this one's all cracked. So we're gonna go ahead and get that handled while we're here. All right guys, down here at Capital Collision Center down here. And these guys are gonna take care of the paint for this 2009 Toyota RAV4. I guess they'll come out here and inspect it, or maybe they don't. We'll find out here in just a second.
A little bit, but I'm gonna eat that and get don't worry. The rest of the first shot instead of later. Right inside that edge. Just a little crack. Oh yeah. That's the start of it right there. So. And it was only the white, solid white and pearl white. But,
Yeah, the Blizzard white and the solid white.
I've got two of them in there now.
Gotcha.
Work, so they'll be there with you and let us know when we can get it in and that we're good to go.
All right guys, so we made it back. I got the paperwork. We were just at the body shop, and so here's the deal. The deal is there was no appointment set today. After you go to the body shop, then this paperwork gets sent over to the Toyota dealership, and then you'll get your appointment. So the appointment for this car, the guy says probably sometime in mid-October. So we still got a ways down the road to go before we actually get it painted, but this was the next step in the process. So here's what's going to work. Obviously this is very obvious that this fender's got a paint peeling problem. They're going to, you know, strip and repair this fender, paint it, and then blend it all in with the hood and the A-pillar and the door. And then around here on the other side, and we didn't see this, they're also going to do the same thing with this fender as well, because he said, well, if you look down in here, the paint is starting to peel away down in here. So he was of the opinion that we also needed to do some to fix this fender as well. So it's just really the two fenders. As for the cover for the spare tire, the dealer wanted $546, and no, we're not doing that. So he did give us the part number. That was for a painted one, same color, ready to go, but no, we're not going to pay $546. We have the part number, so I'll see if I can find that for a better price. Okay guys, so that's the update on this 2009 Toyota RAV4 with the paint peeling problem. We've gone the next step in the process now, and so now we're just waiting for our appointment so we can take the car in and they can actually perform the work and do the painting. Off camera, I was talking to the guy that was out inspecting the car, and even if you're the second or third owner, They're still doing warranty work on this, but there's a cutoff date. I can't remember it. I think it's next year or something like that. In the next couple of years, they're going to do a cutoff date for getting all this stuff fixed. But for now, everything's still good, and you can get these fixed. And so, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. When it's time to get this car painted, we'll definitely be there to see how that process goes.